ओम नमो श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम नमो श्री वेंकटेशाय नमः। My dear friends, today let us discuss about jealousy problem and its effects. If anybody is jealous of you or weeping, or if you are jealous of any person, other persons are weeping, what problems you face or others face? Generally, headache, and it converts into migraine after certain period, gas, acidity, gastritis problem, and neuropathy problem, BP, sugar, and heart disorders, etc. There are so many other disorders. So, better to cut off this jealousy problem by taking electrohomeopathy and alt system of plants and flowers medical system and enter in meditation. Your problem will be solved permanently. This is the best solution. If you are jealous, your kids also spoil if they follow your jealousy principles, and you will not reach to the highest point, godly place, heaven. So cut off it. And others also do not come to you. And there are so many other losses. And another example I am saying you. Do not be jealous. On the same field, people are different people field. You respect and maintain friendly relationship with the same profession people also. Your karma phala, your birth effect, your parents' karma phala, your previous birth effects and balance works, present karma phala is different from other person's karma phala. Your job is different, your work is different, your fate is different. Your fate is different from others' fate. So, no necessity to show jealousy and weeping on others. See, a garden, all flowers go to the highest point, reach to the highest point, grow into full-fledged, full safe, without disturbing the adjacent flower, other flower. Similarly, all leaves of a tree grows to the highest point. Similarly, all humans have to develop, have to know their birth cause and reach to the highest point, heaven. These are the principles. And your income doesn't go to others, and others' income doesn't come to you without cause. See, for example, a farmer was bitten by a snake, went to RMP doctor, paid something, and after that again he went to a private hospital, as he had not satisfied with the treatment of RMP doctor. Next private hospital also they took certain amount and treated. The patient was not satisfied. Again went to electrohomeopathy and alt system. They are satisfied. Response is there. On the next day some water bubbles formed on the skin and poison started to go out. But the patient unnecessarily feared and went to hospital, government hospital. They saw and sent him to a corporate hospital, Hyderabad. That corporate hospital staff took 5 lakhs rupees and kept him in ICU and treated. After 4 days, he was died. 5 lakhs gone, he was died. So, after taking treatment of electrohomeopathy and alt system, if he had not changed many hospitals, his life would have been saved. So why I am saying, when there is heavy karma phala on the head of any person, nobody will save. And here see, all types of doctors got money. See, different doctors. RMP doctor, allopathy doctor, another safe system doctor, and government doctors also treated here. As they are taking salaries from government funds, they saw, okay, at free of cost. They did their duties and sent to Hyderabad hospital. Again he paid to corporate hospital. Means that patient had debts. He paid debts to all hospitals, all kinds of medical system. One patient paid to all kinds of systems. Why I am saying here, you do not be jealous on the same field people or others field people. Your karma phala work is different, and if you work honestly, definitely you will get certain income as decided by the God. If there is competition in your field and if your business is not rising, change the place, that's all, where your services are required. This is the best solution. Thank you.